this is just a short video to show you how to use the adjustable punch needle. So I've got my needle, I've got my threader. I'm going to push the threader up through the hole and then down through the channel of the needle and out the other end. You want to just open up the wire so it forms a loop and then push your wool through and pull the wool through the needle. You're going to turn your needle round. You just want to make sure that you've got a small amount of wool left on the other side. So I'm going to show you how to punch this strip here. This is the direction of travel that you want the needle to be facing. So you always want the pointy end of your needle and the hole and the line up here to be facing in the direction of travel. So it'll be going this way, then I'll be turning it, then it'll be going this way, then we would turn again to do that small part there. We'll turn again at this point, go back this way, turn, and then do the last bit there. Okay, so you want to make sure that you've got lots of slack on the end of your ball of wool, and then it hopefully won't snag. Okay, so I'm going to insert my needle into the fabric as close to this strip that I've already punched. Pushing it in, pull it up. Don't pull it all the way out, you just want to drag it across 2 or 3 holes, and then you want to push down again. That's the corner, so we're going to turn the needle, make sure that it's always facing in the direction of travel. That's just the needle hitting the desk underneath. So we're going to turn it just to get round the corner. Sorry, you won't be able to see it whilst it's going up this strip, but then it will come back into view. My hand is blocking it now. Okay, so we're at the corner. What I really need to do is learn how to punch with my left hand, but I'm not there yet. Okay, and then we're going to go around the corner again. Okay, so we're coming back up the channel, sorry, not channel, in between the line of stitches, and what we want to do is we want to slightly offset the stitches so that they look like bricks on a wall, so they're slightly staggered. So I'm going to come up beside my existing stitches in the middle of them, and I'm just punching next to the stitches that are already there. You don't want to go on top of them, you also don't want to leave a gap. Now I think that's actually alright with the three rows there, they're all pretty close. So now I'm going to just hold the wool on the other side, pull my needle up, snip it off quite closely, and then you just want to use the closed end of your scissors to push the end back in the hole that it came out of. This one's being a little bit more stubborn. You can use your fingers on the other side to try and pull it through. There we go. That's why you don't need to leave too much of a long bit, because then you've just got more to push through. Okay. And there we go.